Hello everyone and welcome to Crowdin. In this short video, we're going to show you how to integrate Crowdin and ButterCMS. Integrating Crowdin and ButterCMS allows you to seamlessly translate your ButterCMS content with Crowdin. Just upload your content for translation and synchronize translations back to ButterCMS in just a few clicks. Let me show you how that works. To integrate Crowdin and ButterCMS, you'll need to have a Crowdin Enterprise or a Crowdin.com account and an already created Crowdin project. So first, we're going to install the app by visiting the Crowdin Marketplace. In the search bar, let's type in ButterCMS. Then click Install. To start the integration process, let's go to our Crowdin project. Then click Integrations. From the list of available apps, let's find ButterCMS. Click it. Now we need to connect our Crowdin account with ButterCMS. For that, we need a read API token and a write API token. So let's switch to ButterCMS and get those. We go to Settings, then API tokens. Let's copy the tokens and paste them into our integration form. But before logging in, let's configure locales in our localization section. Let's say I want to translate my content to Italian, so I should add it here. I specify its name and language code in the API slug and click Add. We go back to Crowdin and now we are ready to log in. Now we're on the integration screen, so let's go to Settings. Here we need to specify a comma-separated list of content types that should be translated. Source language code and language codes for target languages. Click Save. And now on the right are all my content types in ButterCMS, and on the left are only ones that I have already requested translation for. To upload content to Crowdin for translation, I select it on the ButterCMS side and then click Sync to Crowdin. Now I'm ready to order professional translation for my content, or I can have an automated Crowdin workflow configured to order translations whenever I synchronize new content to my project. I can see the translation progress in the status bar. Now let's check how my content appears to translators. A manager wouldn't typically visit this page very often. I just wanted to show you that Crowdin tries to provide as much contextual information to translators as possible. This is my content in the Crowdin editor, rendered as accurately as possible. When the translations are ready, to synchronize the translated content back, just simply select it and then click Sync to ButterCMS. Now let's return to ButterCMS to check out our translated content. This is my content translated to Italian. It looks pretty good, right? And that's it. Now you know how to integrate Crowdin and ButterCMS. But there is a lot more to discover, like automatic synchronization. With Crowdin's vast area of features, you can efficiently translate your content into many different languages. Find a link in the description to start your free Crowdin trial. Thanks for watching!